welcome back to my channel. My name is Shay. I am a full-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari.
I'm Tyler, part-time seller on Mercari, eBay, Poshmark.
And today's video is actually a collab video. So we are collaborating with Galaxy Finds. I'm going to link their video down below. And we are doing a Who Got a Better box for ThredUp. This box, it was picked by Galaxy Finds. It is their favorite ThredUp mystery box. It is a DIY t-shirt box. So we have never done this box.
Never done a t-shirt box, so...
Yeah, now I don't have a lot of experience with t-shirts. When I go to choose clothing, I kind of steer away from them because I don't really know what I'm looking for. So this will be good for me because it hopefully will show me what to look for. Yeah. Also, we have the horror story of...
Hey, it's a horror story. You bought a t-shirt for $3. You sold it for $50. Get over yourself.
Yes, but we should have sold it for a lot more. But anyway, so I'm really excited to do this. Next time we collab with them, that we're going to be doing our favorite ThredUp mystery box. So stay tuned for that, and make sure you check out both videos and comment down below and let us know who you think got the better box. I will say she's probably more knowledgeable in her box, so hers is going to be a much more exciting video. Ours, we're going to need a lot more help, so definitely help us out. So while he's sorting it out and getting everything together, I wanted to let you guys know, if you are enjoying reseller content, you like unboxings, seems like people really love ThredUp unboxings here, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so you're notified every time we post new videos.
And use Google, don't use Bing, for the love of God.
Yes, apparently a lot of you are finding us on Bing, and
I don't know who uses Bing, honestly.
Can you let us know down below who it is, because we're not against it. I just want to know what is the benefit of Bing and how are we so searchable there? I don't know anything about Bing, but anyway, make sure that you do that. We post new videos every Sunday and Wednesday. He is jumping in, so I guess enough said. We are going to move into looking at the t-shirts.
So this is the Mountain, dyed and printed in the USA. It's a large, and wow, yeah, wow. Starting off strong.
Do you remember the Galaxy Cat? I don't remember if it was a painting or what it was, but it was super weird.
Yeah.
This reminds me of that. I'm going to try to put a picture of that up here if I can find it. I don't know if I'm going to be able to find it. But yeah, so, I mean, there are a lot of cat lovers out there. We actually just did a question prompt on our Discord, and it was what animals are the most annoying, or would be the rudest if they could talk.
House cats.
You said house cats, so this is kind of...
That's the easy answer.
Yes, so I mean, guys, if you know anything about these t-shirts, please let me know below. Otherwise, I will do all the research we can, but I know nothing.
So, shifted to solidarity. This is next level apparel.
Okay, so that's like one of those, you know, like people get it for work or whatever type situation.
It's a work.
But this is this something you could wear? Oh no, it's a medium, so it's probably a little small for you, but it looks like it might actually fit you.
It's probably a big small. So
medium.
A big medium. This is American Eagle. One of a kind, and yeah, it's one of a kind. It's fucking hideous. Sorry for the swearing, but it's.
I mean, it'll sell for something.
Ugly.
I don't think it'll sell for a lot, but people
ugly.
like American Eagle. Don't listen to him.
It's ugly.
And what size was it again?
Small.
Size small.
Oh,
I love Snoopy.
Who doesn't love peanuts? Snoopy and Woodstock. Size medium. Yeah,
so super cute. Again, it'll sell. I don't know much about what this stuff goes for. I would think it was probably like 20 retail, so maybe like $10.
Riverdale. Medium.
Okay, so that's a TV show.
TV show print.
Yeah. So here we go. That's divided, so it's H&M.
Divided. When I met you last summer, it was like my dreams came true. We'd take bike rides by the river and watch the sky turn from black to blue. We would throw fabulous garden parties and put flowers on Lola's head and listen to the birds sing until we had to go to bed. Okay?
I don't know what that's from, but if you guys know, let us know below. But yeah, I mean, divided. People buy those.
This is actually a regional thing to us somehow. Royal Apparel. Women with Warren.
Oh, weird.
So it's a political
I mean, if we can't sell it, your sisters will love it.
Oh yeah, that's going to Christmas. And yeah.
So, and it was a size medium.
Bay Island Sportswear. Bad Brains. I mean, this is kind of a cool shirt. It doesn't have a size to it. Large. Hard to see. But it's making fun of the idiots in Congress, which I can thoroughly support.
Very cool. I don't think it's vintage based on the tag, which I will show you.
It doesn't have the single stitch either.
Yeah.
Which is one thing we do know.
Yeah, that's about all we know. But it's really cool, so I don't know. Maybe it'll sell for something.
Dreamers.
Oh, I know Dreamers. So we've sold some Dreamers sweaters.
It's got some patches on the pocket. It's got a pocket, ladies.
He knows how important pockets are. And it's actually like raised patches, so they're real.
I would imagine that's
sewn
probably a guy's though, based off the size.
Based on the tag though?
Mm.
I don't know.
It's a large shirt.
It might just be oversized.
Oversized shirt?
Yeah.
Sure, we'll go with there. The summer shirt, large, Phoenix, trying to be cool.
I mean, can it say trying and failing to be cool? Because then otherwise I can wear that. But definitely cool. It has a little orange on the sleeve here. So, yeah, and we said it was a size what?
Large.
I don't actually even see it, but yep, there you go. The size large.
Gotcha. Fruit of the Loom, medium. All good things are wild and free with an elephant print.
Oh, that's cute. That's pretty.
So,
definitely cute.
I mean, of their box so far, I don't see a whole lot of damage, which is...
Yeah, everything looks like it's in good condition. I don't think any of the items we've gotten so far have a high price point, but we also know nothing, so... but they're really cool, and there's something to list, so...
Pink, Victoria's Secret, extra small, sequined, nightmare.
See, now, my mom loves the Victoria's Secret sequin stuff, so I'm sure and I know there are collectors out there for this, so who knows, you know, this is cute, and I don't see any real damage on the sequins, so that's good. Size extra small, but very cute. I like this. I like the sequins.
Gildan, medium, Primo Hoagies.
Yeah, so this is like another work type thing. I don't know
It's the
what
same
Primo
shop
Hoagies
company. It's a sub shop somewhere.
Yeah, but guys wear this kind of stuff all the time, so someone will want it.
This looks... Did we get a Galaxy t-shirt for our Galaxy find?
That would be so funny.
Anvil, size small. Yeah.
A Galaxy shirt for our Galaxy.
Looks like it's a...
Adam Lambert Glam Nation Tour 2010.
Yeah.
So it's a tour t-shirt.
It's a tour t-shirt. I mean, those have value.
Yeah, they do. But yeah, Galaxy t-shirt for our Galaxy Finds collab.
So do we win just on that?
I don't know.
So this is next level.
Looks like it. He's struggling, guys.
It's
I'm sorry.
a really not great tag.
It's been washed, clearly.
A lot. I don't even see a size.
Okay, well, we can still show the shirt. We don't need to.
The
Lumineers. It's another band shirt.
Hmm.
So, I mean, I do know that band shirts are somewhat popular, but I don't know if they have to be vintage or not. I haven't gotten into that world yet.
I mean, imagine the vintage ones are the big bucks.
Well, of course, but people might still be looking for
So
theirs.
Arizona Jeans Company, extra large.
Oh, that's cute. This looks like a
Out
little
of this
girl's.
world, yeah,
This is a girl's extra large, and it's really cute. People love unicorns, so.
Old Navy, medium, floral print, V-neck.
Very cute. Sparkly. Very cute.
This one doesn't look to have a tag at all.
Oh.
Rip and dip.
Have to Google it, and I will try
That's
to.
just freaking annoying that the pocket is upside down and you can't use it.
So
to hell with this company.
I'm going to put a comp up on the screen. I don't know if I'm right about this company. If I'm wrong, it's going to look silly. So you can see the pocket is upside down, and there is the cat there.
Flipping people off.
I think this is what I think it is. So we will put that up on the screen so you guys can confirm.
Jammies for your families. Roar to the world.
Oh my goodness, can I wear this for Christmas? It's too cute. Will it fit me?
Probably.
Extra large women, well,
I mean, it'll be big.
it'll be big, but like, hey, oversized is in. Guys, this is so cute. Happy holidays.
A Stray Dog Cantina. So just a restaurant promotional shirt.
You know, though, I like the coloring. I'm not gonna lie. Like,
It's desert because it's from New Mexico.
it's really, like, I just like the coloring. So.
This one's really light. Ocean Drive, Maui, Hawaii. Neon orange.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like it's great quality, but this is something I would totally wear on the beach, you know, summertime, and we all need to be thinking about summer right now. Winter storm coming.
Lol Vintage.
But it's more holiday.
Yeah, it says Believe. It's a medium.
It's a burnout.
It's a, very thin, sheer kind of material.
Yeah, and it's more holiday. So you know what? Even if they don't sell for a lot of money, people are looking for holiday stuff right now, and I think the deadline to ship for Christmas is December 19th. So still a little bit of time. I should get these holiday ones up.
Nickelodeon.
The 90s kid in me is screaming.
Large, it's Rugrats, the classics.
Now I have no idea does it give a year on here? It doesn't. But it's so when you see it printed like this, it means it's generally not vintage. However, these are the original Rugrat characters. So it is
also the original logo.
So I don't know. Again, please let me know what you know. But even if it's not going to go for a lot, it's going to go because the 90s kids like me love this. And if it doesn't go, I would bet Tyler will wear this. It might be it says it's only a large, but it looks like it would fit him. So
I mean, I can fit a large. I just have to squeeze. Disney, double X.
Oh, see, it's too big for my dad, but he would adore this. It's the right color. It's adorable. Disney. This is
double X.
No, I was looking to see if it had a year. Usually
No.
Disney gives a year, but it doesn't seem to be. But yeah, it's another one that's printed on like that. So probably not vintage, but adorable, and I love the freaking color.
This is New Anthropology.
Oh, I think, is that men's anthropology?
I don't know. It's Sol Angeles. Size large. I mean, that's... Yeah, probably. Probably, man.
So here you go.
Fit.
I mean, I am not super experts when it comes to tees. I don't know if it's men or women. I can't tell. But it's definitely anthro, and I don't know this subset of anthro. But new tag anthro on top of it all.
New tag anthro. It's hard to complain about that. It looks a bit... Is it either fuzz or something? That's all? Yeah.
But yeah, so we have to see what the rip and dip one is because my brain tells me it's something, but I'm going to look it up. It's going to be like Target or something because I'm dumb. But I'm happy with Disney. There's a few holiday things I think are going to do okay. I think we'll do all right. I don't think it's going to be a huge...
Vintage Nick, even if it's not vintage, it's got the...
It's got nostalgia.
It's got nostalgia for people.
Yeah. So, I mean, it might not be a huge return, but these boxes are actually pretty affordable. I think with all said and done with taxes, it comes out to... Oh, you've got the receipt right there.
Without the shipping, it's $28.
Yeah, so I think with it comes out to around like 38, 36, somewhere around there. So it's really not that bad. And if we can just sell a few of these for a decent amount, we're good.
Yeah, it's only a few bucks cost per item, per shirt. So as long as you're selling them for $5-10 a piece,
yeah,
you're fine.
Which I think most of them they're all great quality. So we will see how this goes. And of course, as we always do, we will do an update video as soon as we have a good chunk sold to let you know how we did on it and how we feel about it and if we'll be buying this box again. It is generally available. So I'm also going to link down below a ThredUp link. If you've never tried ThredUp before, you can use that link and you will get a discount on your first box because this box is literally like one of the few that's always available.
Well, I have no idea because you do all of this because...
Well, it is. So it's worth, if you think that you want something similar to this box or something similar to Galaxy Finds box, when you go and check her box out, which I heard was really good. Haven't checked out the video yet, but I heard it is, so you might want to check it.
Yeah, I'm kind of nervous that she blew us out of the water a little bit.
She probably did. So use the link down below so you can get a discount. But yeah, that's about it. We'll be back next time with a new video. I think we are going to talk about some tea. Is that what we're going to be doing?
Some drama, yes.
Yeah, we're going to be doing
There's
that.
actual drama now.
Yeah, and he loves talking about drama. So
yeah,
if you liked our
my
last tea
favorite
video
thing.
and you liked us chatting about it, make sure that you come back. We will be talking about that on Wednesday. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll be back really soon.
Thank you all for watching.